Since 1986, Ottawa, Canada, like various other towns across the United States, hold a Toys for Kids run, or Toys for Tots, motorcycle run. This year they started at the Eagle's Nest on 15th and Mulberry, and they paraded downtown on them wild hogs with all them bikers and a couple of parade floats, and they go to Forest Park, and afterwards they do a bunch of different charity things for children in need, and it's a beautiful thing. Anyway, check this out. 2025 Toys for Tots Parade. There they come, the wild hogs. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Down in the description below, I'll have a link to their website so you can go check them out and donate to them and help support and get involved if you would like.